Welcome back to the show. I had a request to do an eye splice to help some people out, so that's what we're going to do today. There's some rope here, some of this black tape. We'll just do up the ends with the tape. Let's move her in a bit. You can see that they're burnt already, so just put a little tape on there to help it slide through. We'll get started. Alright, put the black electrical tape on there, spun it out. You have to make sure you have enough for at least 3 to go under each other 3 times. I just pick one. Sometimes rope has a blue in there, so I just go blue to blue, but this one doesn't. Pick how big your loop wants to be. Here, so we'll put one in. This electrical tape, you just pick up the hardware store, you can get it anywhere you want. Okay, so either there, you got one. Just move it around a little bit till it's in the center. And then you can do this next one. Goes under the next one. Okay, there. It's in a nice line. This third one will come back here. This third one just wraps around here and goes in here. So it goes under the one that's not taken. This one's taken. This one's taken. So it goes under this one. See how that looks. Don't be worried if you start it again. Start again. Start this again lots of times. Well, that's not right. We'll start again. Now we have one under this one, under that one, and one under this one. And you just go down, keeping things straight. Yeah, that looks nice now. And then you go 3 times. Start at the furthest back one. Just twist and open. So I'm trying to do it for the angle that you can see what you're doing. There. Now you have 3 ends here. You've been under 3 times, like 1, 2, 3. So I'll take one and go once more. You only have to do 3. And then do them all one more time. And then I leave this one here. And I do 2 one more time. And then I do this last one more time so that it's not all just even. So there you go. That's what it looks like all the way down. Okay, let's cut these ends off. The old Gerber. Remember, toward your chum, not your thumb. I'm not wearing my cut-proof gloves, so I'm gonna just not cut toward myself. But you can do what you want. I'm not telling you not to cut toward yourself, I'm just telling you. There you go. And I'm just going to burn them up. I'm just going to burn them. Then you take these and you just roll them on the floor with your foot, with your shoe on. That's going to be hot for a few minutes. There you go. Thanks for watching. Here.